first step is going to be to throw in the beef. Nope, not with your hands. It's in a container, so you just dump it in there. Yep. Alright, so now we're going to brown the beef. Now you need to get a spatula. Nope. No, flat one. A flat one. Flat wood one. There you go. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to crush this up and make it as tiny pieces as possible.
I can do that.
Can you? Okay. Make sure, look, hang on. See what you just did? So, if you are not strong enough to keep it steady, okay, you don't have to push hard, just hard enough to get through the meat, because the meat's soft, okay? So, other thing is, if you push over here on the side, what do you think is going to happen? You'll tip it towards you, and you'll dump it on yourself, okay? So there's two things you need to do. One is, you need to hold on to the handle with your left hand, okay? With your right hand, these are not pencils, okay? You hold it like this. Let go. Let go. Okay. Hold it like this, like a drumstick. Oh my goodness. Let go. Like this. Look. See how I got it in my fist? Okay. That's how you're going to hold it. And not like this, because you don't have any strength on it. Hold it like this for control. There you go. Wait. Where's your other hand supposed to be? Holding that, okay? Because you're over by the edge. We don't want to knock the thing off, okay? Always make sure you have control.
I like holding on to the handle when I make.
Alright, so we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic, minced. Go ahead. Good. Okay, pepper. We're going to add a few turns of pepper. So flip it over. We'll do a few. 1, 2, 3, maybe one more. Good. Okay, and then salt. Same. 1, 2, let's see. More. Too much, take it back. Okay. Make smart choices while we're cooking. Is that how we're supposed to hold the handle? There you go. Nope. Like that. Yep, go ahead and set it down. Okay, and we're going to move our handle so that we don't accidentally bump it or hit it, burn ourselves, or melt the handle. Grab a spoon over there. Yep. Okay, slide it this way. Alright, stir it up a little bit. Yeah. That's controversial. Some people don't think beans should be in chili. What do you think?
I think beans should. They're good, they're tasty.
They're good for you, they're healthy. Yep. Okay. We're not going to mix it too much because we're not making a soup, we're making a chili. Chili is supposed to be thicker. Okay, so we don't want to crush all the beans. Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
How many?
About the same as you did the other one. Nope, you got to twist the other way.
1, 2, 3.
That should be maybe one more. There we go.
Salt.
Next, salt. And we're adding salt to both because you want the flavor to cook into the meat and then the flavor to cook into this. Okay. Now for some, what is this?
Basil.
Basil. Okay. Nope, not from the middle. Do it from the side. Because if you open it from the middle, you're going to pour out tons. Okay, don't tip it straight over. Okay, we're going to do it lightly. Just like that. There. Okay. And chili powder. We're going to use the sifter on the chili powder. Okay? Anything pouring out? Doesn't look like it. There it goes. Now we got chili powder. Here, look at shaking the camera. See all those ingredients? the audio should sound better now. Sorry about that. Forgot to plug in the microphone. So we've now got to go ahead and drain all this excess fat that has melted and turned into grease. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick this up. Okay, we're going to pick it up. We're going to take it over to the strainer. Okay, watch it. Squish out all this. See all the grease coming out?
Oh yeah,
So we're going to do that. We're going to leave it right here. And just squish it. Get all the grease out. All right, next we are going to, since most of the grease is gone, should be able to just pick this up. Shouldn't drip at all. And we're going to put it into our pot. Just like that. Don't, no, we're not going to dump it from high, okay? That's how we splash and get grease all over the place. So we're going to lower it in there. Okay, we're going to dump it in slowly. Because we don't want to splash it. Because you splash, man, that's going to pop and burn. Woo! All right, so now we get our spoon, stir them together, and they're going to marry in the marinade together. We're going to lower the heat.
2, 3.
To about 3, and we will let it do its thing, marinade. Now, I would say add onions, and if you want it to be hot, then you add peppers too, but we're not big on peppers, right? No. So we're not going to add peppers to ours. So the chili powder should be good enough. We'll come back and taste it here in a little bit. Well, after a while of sauteing. So you guys stay tuned. All right, and here we are. Add cheese, sour cream, crackers of your choice. And that's going to do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let us know down in the comments if you want, or in Facebook, if you want us to make something else.
Love, peace, and chicken grease.